everyone, and welcome to today's video. My name is Kenzie. If you did not know that, now you know. And you guys, today we're going to be doing a full review on the brand new Toofaced teddy bear palette. And before anyone says anything, these are fake. This one's not. You can't see it. This one's not, but these ones on my hands are fake. So I just thought that they looked cool, so. But anyways, yes, we are going to be doing a full review on this baby right here. I got this in from Ulta a couple of weeks, well, about a week ago, and I really want to do a review on it because it looks so freaking cute. So let's do that today. And if you're new to this channel, then hello, I'm so happy to have you. Don't forget you and click the subscribe button to become part of this weird, awesome, amazing family. And I'll have my Instagram linked right up here and in the description if you want to check me out and give me a follow over on Instagram. I would really, really appreciate it. We're doing a lot of fun videos and reels and posts and stuff over there. And also follow me on TikTok because TikTok is poppin'. And I do post daily on TikTok. So, let's get into this video. So here is what the palette looks like. I think this is like a second addition to like their nudes palette or something, because it looks very, very similar, but I love the packaging on this. I haven't swatched anything, oh my goodness, done anything with the palette, but it looks so cute. It's so thin. Like, just the packaging itself is so thin. And then here are what the shades look like. I love the packaging. It's very sleek. It's very like, I don't know. I just think it looks really good. It's like, you can take this anywhere. The packaging is so thin. I'm gonna do a few little swatches. The pans are teeny tiny. So here are some swatches from the palette. I gotta say, these look pretty promising. They swatched very nicely. They were very buttery and smooth, and I'm actually really excited about it. It seems pretty nice. So first thing that I'm gonna do is I think I'm gonna go into this shade right here. It's like just like a light brown color, and I think this shade is called Mama Bear? Mama Bear, maybe? Because again, the shade names are on the back, and it's like so hard for me to figure out the names when they're on the back. But I think it's Mama Bear, so we're gonna go into her. It is rainy and stormy outside today, but I don't mind it because, believe it or not, I actually like weather like this. It's relaxing for me. Does anyone else enjoy like thunderstorms or like rainy weather and stuff? Not all the time, of course, but like, you know, every now and then. I really like it. This blended out like literal butter, like so nice. Like, holy crap. It was a little light on first application, so I did have to go back and get a little more, but like after that, it's very light, but the color is light. That's what I mean, but that blended out real quick, real easy. And I think this palette has a smell to it. Pretty much all Too Faced palettes have like a really sweet smell. Some people love it, some people hate it. I am very indifferent to it because I can't smell that great to begin. And the thunder rolls. I can't do that, I'll get copyrighted. But did you hear it? It was thunder. But like I was saying, I can't smell all that good. I can smell some things, but just other things I just can't smell. So like, I feel like this probably does have a smell, but I feel like it's either not as strong or, I don't know. I can't smell it too much. Okay. So that shade is done. Pretty light shade, just very neutral. And next, we're gonna go into a deepening shade here. I'm gonna go into this one right here. And this one is called Stuffed, I think. And then we're just going to deepen up the outer corners ever so slightly. Ooh, that's pretty pigmented. That was really nice. I actually really like that. And also, you guys, I found this out the other day. We have hit 4,000 subscribers on this channel. Like, that's crazy. And I know a lot of people are like, I feel like a lot of people say this, you know, like a lot of people say like, oh my God, I never thought that I would get here and everything. And I used to think it was so cliche, but now that I am at like a, you know, 4,000, that's a lot of people. Like, that's nothing to joke at. That's a lot of people. And I thank you so much for watching any of my content, for subscribing, for following me on Instagram, for doing anything. It all means so much to me because this is what I want to do. Like, this is my passion right here. And I really just appreciate it. Like, 4,000 people, like, wow. Like, 4,000 people can be as many as like a small town. So I really appreciate it. Thank you. So we're done with that shade. That one blended out pretty nicely as well. I'm actually really into it. So I like that. Next, we are gonna deepen up this, we're gonna deepen this up even more here. We're gonna go into this dark brown shade right here. And I believe this one is Fuzzy Wuzzy. So we're gonna go into this one right here and we're going to deepen up the outer corners even more with this beautiful dark chocolate shade. Dark chocolate? Yeah. No, it's not. I meant to say like rich chocolate. I don't know. Well, you guys, that blended out so nicely as well. That was just so easy. I'm really impressed. Well, wow. I'm so impressed. Those were so easy to do. Like, it just blended out beautifully. I love that. I love that so much. Okay, for the lid shade, so obviously I want to try this shade right here. Like, it just looks so pretty, and it is called It Was a Dark and Stormy Night at the Graveyard Shift. This one is called For Real. Like, for real? Okay, so we're gonna go into that, and I'm going to just try to put this on with my finger, I hope. Oh, yes. That's really pretty. It is a little, I thought that it was gonna be more pigmented. That's why I said, oh yes, but I think I spoke a little too soon. It is pretty, but it's not as foiled as I thought it was going to be. Like, I thought it was gonna turn out even more sparkly. But this one is really nice. It's going on super well. It's not crazy foiled or anything, but it is really pretty. Like, look at that. It's really pretty. And then I think I want to go into this one right here. And I want to just kind of put that on the outer part. Just to see if I could give it a little more depth. Yeah. Because it's like kind of like it's like a purple shimmer. Yeah, that looks really cool. You can't really even see it, but I promise it's there. But it looks really nice in person. There was a little bit of fallout. Definitely not bad. I've had much worse. But I'm gonna go ahead and quickly do my skin with you guys. I do my base makeup and all that. I'm gonna do a little bit of my Fourth Ray Beauty Glisten Up Mist. I need to get another one of those because I just really like it and I'm almost out. For my primer today, I'm actually going to use this. I haven't used this in a long time. I'm going to use the Farsali Liquid Glass Primer. Like, it's been a minute. I hope this is still like good. For foundation, maybe I'll use the Colourpop Pretty Fresh foundation today. It's been a while since I've used that. It's definitely way too dark for me. But I'm just gonna use a little bit. Yeah, just a little bit. Man, I forgot how much I love this foundation. I think in the beginning, it's so weird. I think when I first tried this foundation, I didn't like it. I think I even said it on camera. I was like, yeah, I don't know, it's not my favorite, but then I kept using it and I was like, wow, it's actually really nice. And it is too dark for me right now, but it's not too bad. I can get away with it, so if I had like a baby tan right now, it'd be perfect. Alrighty. And then I'm just gonna quickly do my concealer and all that good stuff. Nothing fancy when it comes to my concealer, just my Tarte Shape Tape. As for bronzer, maybe I'll use my Fenty bronzer. I use this every so often. I've been using it more now, but I feel like I've been using my Ilia bronzer like every single time I do my makeup. So maybe we can switch it up a little bit. I could also have used my Fenty powder bronzer. I forgot about that one. But I just really love the cream bronzer. And I think it's just a really nice color. I like it a lot. It's not like super, normally my bronzers pull more like orange, but this one actually looks more brown and I actually like it. I like it a lot. So for my blush today, what do I want to use? I have so many blush options because I freaking love blush. My eyes are kind of orangey. Maybe Faded Clementine would look cool. I'll try a little bit of Faded Clementine. If it looks weird, then I'll do something else. No, not today. I think I'm gonna do Venetian Rose here. See, now it's raining. Hopefully you like the rain. Maybe it's like soothing. I hope it's not like annoying. Okay, that looks better. Okay. Very nice, very nice. Okay, so okay. I say okay way too much. So I'm going to do the rest of my eyes really quick, just like my liner, my lashes, my mascara, and all that good stuff. Of course, my brows, and then I will come back and we'll finish up everything, but I'll see you in a minute. Okay, I'm back. And for my, like literally, I use the same thing every video. My Tarte Double Take liner, my Lily Lashes in Goddess, and actually today I'm throwing everything. I need to calm down. Okay, today, it's been a while since I've used this. I used the Loreal Mega Air Volume Mascara. I actually really like this. Back to this palette, we're gonna go ahead and do our lower lash line. As for that, I kind of want to make it like smoky and like sexy, so I think I'm going to go into this purple shade right here, and this one is called Boop. That's cute. Oh yeah, that's a pretty shade. I like that a lot. And it kind of also ties in with the little bit of purple shimmer that we have on the lid as well. So I think it works really nicely. I love that. Next up, we're just gonna go ahead and quickly do the lips. I think honestly right now, I'm just gonna stick Thunderstorm ASMR. Right now, I think I'm just gonna stick with my Pat McGrath LiquiLUST Matte Liquid Lipstick. I really, really love this. It's in the shade Divine Rose. There's that, and I really love this lipstick. I think it's great. I am going to go ahead and quickly just pop on a tiny little bit of Rare Beauty Gloss in the shade Nearly Neutral. So you guys, this is the completed look that we did create today using the brand new Toofaced Teddy Bear palette, and I have to say I actually really love this palette. I just spat everywhere. But I really did. I really like this palette. I thought that it was really, really nice. I thought the shadows blended very well, and I thought that they just looked really nice together. Everything was very cohesive. I don't really have anything bad to say about this palette. I thought the mattes worked really well. I thought the shimmers could have been better probably, but I still think that it looks really pretty. It doesn't look like a dirty shimmer. It looks like a bright, shiny shimmer. So I do really like that. I genuinely don't have any qualms. That's a word. I don't have any issues with this palette. I think that it was really good. Do I think it's like Pat McGrath or Natasha Denona good? No. But they're not as expensive either. You know, it's a Too-Faced palette. They're kind of like in the middle. They're not like high-end, but they're not drugstore. They're in the middle, along with most other brands. I really, really enjoyed this palette. Again, I love the packaging. I think it's adorable. It's very, very small. You could carry this around in your bag if you wanted to. It's so little. And then I also really just love the application. I thought it was really great. But anyways, if you have tried this palette, what are your thoughts on it? Because something I like, you may not like. So let me know as well. Did you like this palette? If you tried it, did you not like it? Let me know why you didn't like it, and just all of that down in the comments, because I would love to know that. But I am going to go ahead and end this video here. I really hope that you did enjoy it. If you did, then go ahead and click up the like button for me and then subscribe if you want to. If you want to see other videos that I post when I post them, click the little bell down at the bottom there and make sure you set it to all so that YouTube knows that you want to see my videos. Again, my name is Kenzie. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye!